Caring for a sick cat at home can be stressful, especially when you're unsure what your pet needs to feel comfortable and recover safely. While professional veterinary care is essential for serious conditions, many illnesses require supportive care that you can provide at home. There are several effective methods that can help your sick cat recover with comfort, proper care, and gentle attention. Begin by carefully observing your cat's daily behavior and routines. Pay attention to any changes in appetite, energy levels, breathing patterns, or litter box habits. Notice if your cat is making unusual sounds, hiding more, or acting differently than normal. These minor signs can indicate that something is wrong. Early detection allows you to respond quickly with proper care and gives your veterinarian important information if a visit becomes necessary. When cats are sick, they need a quiet and cozy space to rest and recover comfortably. Choose a warm, peaceful corner of your home that is free from noise, bright lights, and other pets. Place a soft blanket or towel for them to lie on, creating a sense of safety and warmth. Keep their food, water, and litter box close by so they can easily reach them without using much energy. This calm and convenient setup helps reduce stress and supports faster healing. Sick cats often neglect grooming, which can lead to matted fur and discomfort. Gently brushing them helps remove loose hair and prevents tangles. Regular grooming provides a soothing, calming experience that reduces stress. This care supports their overall well-being while they recover. Dehydration can quickly make any illness worse, so keeping your cat properly hydrated is essential. Using a pet water fountain can encourage them to drink more, as many cats prefer moving water. Proper hydration supports their organs, boosts energy, and speeds up recovery. It also helps prevent urinary problems and promotes overall comfort. This simple yet vital step provides a significant benefit when caring for a sick cat at home. Even a day without food can be dangerous for cats, so offering highly palatable meals is essential. Portions wet cat food cuts in gravy provide soft, flavorful pieces that are easy for sick or picky cats to eat. Its rich gravy helps increase moisture intake, supporting hydration during illness. The balanced nutrients offer energy and promote recovery when your cat needs it most. This gentle, appetizing texture encourages cats to resume eating sooner, helping prevent dangerous fasting. Follow your vet's instructions when giving pills, liquids, or topical medications, and make the process as stress-free as possible. Using pill pockets can be a gentle and effective way to hide medicine inside a tasty treat. Their soft texture and appealing flavor help reduce your cat's anxiety around medication time. This makes dosing easier for you and less frightening for your sick cat. Pill pockets help maintain trust and ensure your cat receives the full medication they need for recovery. Providing comfort can be just as important as medicine for a sick cat. Simply sitting quietly near them and offering gentle pets helps them feel safe and cared for. Speaking softly reassures your cat and reduces their anxiety. Your calm presence can create a sense of security, which supports healing. Emotional support from you can boost their overall recovery and well-being. Stress can significantly slow a cat's recovery from illness. To help, maintain a calm and peaceful environment, free from loud noises and sudden movements. Minimize handling unless necessary, allowing your cat to rest undisturbed. Speak softly and move slowly around them to avoid causing anxiety. A relaxed, stress-free space supports faster healing and overall comfort. For cats with congestion, a humidifier can make breathing significantly easier by adding moisture to the air. This increased humidity helps loosen mucus, allowing your cat to clear their nasal passages more comfortably. It also soothes irritated airways, reducing coughing and throat dryness. A warm, moist environment can make your cat feel more relaxed and willing to rest. Using a humidifier is a gentle, non-invasive way to support respiratory comfort. Overall, it helps your sick cat breathe more freely and recover more comfortably at home. When a sick cat begins eating, grooming, and showing curiosity, it's a good sign they are recovering. These behaviors indicate improved energy and interest in their surroundings. However, if symptoms continue for more than 2 days, it signals that the illness may be serious. Refusal to eat or drink is especially concerning and can lead to dehydration. In such cases, seeking veterinary care immediately is essential to ensure their health and safety. With love, attention, and proper home care, you can give your feline friend the best chance at healing.